Chapter 5, Lesson 4, the distributive property. The distributive property states that to multiply a sum or difference by a number, multiply each term inside the parentheses by the number outside the parentheses. So if you have 4 on the outside and 6 add 2 on the inside, then you want to do 4 multiplied by 6 and then add 4 multiplied by 2. You can see that here. It says that the expression 2 multiplied by x add 2 is modeled below. So here's x add 2. And if we multiply that by 2, then we have x add 2 twice. And then we can rearrange the tiles to see that we actually have 2x add 4. So 2 multiplied by x add 2 is equal to 2x add 2 multiplied by 2, which is 2x multiplied by, or 2x add 4. It says the expression 2 multiplied by x add 2 and 2x add 4 are equivalent expressions. No matter what x is, these expressions have the same value. In example 1, it says use the distributive property to evaluate 8 multiplied by negative 9 add 4. They did 8 multiplied by negative 9, and they also did 8 multiplied by 4, and then they added their result together. So 8 multiplied by negative 9 was negative 72, and 8 multiplied by 4 was positive 32. Negative 72 and positive 32 made negative 40. In our example 1, it says use the distributive property to evaluate 7 multiplied by 3 add 12. So we want to multiply 7 by everything inside the parentheses. So 7 multiplied by 3 add 7 multiplied by 12. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. 7 multiplied by 12 is 84. 84 and 21 make 105. Go ahead and try got it A, B, and C, and then resume this video when you're done. For got it A, we want to multiply 5 by everything inside the parentheses. So 5 multiplied by negative 9. Add 5 multiplied by 11. 5 multiplied by negative 9 is negative 45. And 5 multiplied by 11 is 55. Negative 45 add 55 is 10. For got it B, 7 multiplied by 10. Subtract 7 multiplied by 5. 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. 70 subtract 35 is 35. Finally, for got it C, we want 9 multiplied by 12. Subtract 9 multiplied by 8. 9 multiplied by 12 is 108. Subtract 9 multiplied by 8, which is 72. 108 subtract 72 is 36. Hopefully you got all of those correct. Let's look at these examples here. Example 2 has a 4 being multiplied by x add 7 turns into 4x add 28. Example 3 has 6 multiplied by p subtract 5 it becomes 6p subtract 30. Example 4, negative 2 multiplied by x subtract 8 becomes negative 2x add 16. Example 5, 5 multiplied by negative 3x add 7y becomes negative 15x add 35y. And in example 6, 1/3 multiplied by x subtract 6 becomes 1/3 x subtract 2. In our example 2, we have 11 multiplied by x add 5. This is going to become 11 multiplied by x add 11 multiplied by 5, which is 11x add 55. Example 3 has 5 multiplied by p subtract 8. That's going to become 5 multiplied by p subtract 5 multiplied by 8. That's 5p subtract 40. In example 4, we have negative 3 multiplied by x subtract 2. That's going to become negative 3 multiplied by x subtract negative 3 multiplied by 2. That is negative 3x subtract negative 6, or negative 3x add 6. Anytime you subtract a negative, that's the same as addition. In example 5, we're going to do 4 multiplied by negative 9x. Then we're going to add 4 multiplied by 1. That is negative 36x add 4. And finally, in example 6, we're going to do 1/4 multiplied by x subtract 1/4 multiplied by 16. I'm going to use, let's do black. So if we put the 16 over 1, right, 1/4 multiplied by x is just 1/4 x. And over here, we can actually cross cancel the 4 and the 16. 4 goes into itself 1 time, 4 goes into 16 4 times. So on the top, 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. And on the bottom, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And that was subtraction. 4 over 1 is just 4, so this is 1/4 x subtract 4. Go ahead and try got it D, E, F, and G, and then resume this video when you're done. For got it D, we're going to do 6 multiplied by A, and then we're going to add 6 multiplied by 4. We get 6A add 24. For got it E, we're going to do 8 multiplied by M, add 8 multiplied by 3N. We're going to get 8M, add 24 N. Hopefully you're getting these correct. The skill is going to keep coming up over and over again. Got it, F. We're going to do -3 multiplied by y, and then we're going to subtract -3 multiplied by 10. We're going to get -3y subtract -30, or -3y add 30. And finally got it, G. We're going to do 1/2 multiplied by w subtract 1/2 multiplied by 4. Now we can, well, 1/2 multiplied by w is just 1/2 w. And then we subtract. The 2 and the 4 cross cancel. 2 goes into 4 2 times. So on top, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. And on the bottom, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 2 over 1 is just 2. So this is 1/2 w subtract 2. Example 7 says, Mr. Ito needs to buy batting helmets for the baseball team. The helmets he plans to buy are $19.95 each. Find the total cost if Mr. Ito needs to buy 9 batting helmets for the team. It says rename $19.95 as $20, subtract 5 cents, then use the distributive property to find the total cost mentally. 9 multiplied by $20 is $180, and 9 multiplied by 5 cents is 45 cents. $180 subtract 45 cents is $179.55. The total cost of the helmets is $179.55. Go ahead and try got it H, and then resume this video when you're done. Got it H says, a sports club rents dirt bikes for $37.50 each. Find the total cost for the club to rent 20 bikes. Justify your answer by using the distributive property. So 20 bikes. So 20, and we need to multiply that by $37.50. So that's almost $40. So let's do $40, subtract $2.50. So we're doing 20 multiplied by 40, and then we're going to subtract 20 multiplied by 250. Well, 20 multiplied by 40 is 800. I just did 2 multiplied by 4 and added 2 zeros. And then 20 multiplied by 250 is going to be 50, because 250 multiplied by 10 is going to be 25, and then you can double that to get multiplied by 20. So 800 subtract 50 is 750. We are talking about money. The total cost for the club to rent 20 bikes is $750.